Welcome back, Wall Street Alpaca here. So in this video, we're going to talk about how rare home runs are. And I kind of opened the channel to show off this home run that I believe is on its way to happening. Tandy Leather Factory, and my investment in Tandy Leather Factory constitutes all of my money, literally all of it. I'm dead broke. I put all of my money into Tandy Leather Factory, so that's because it's a home run, I believe, on its way. And this video is about how rare home runs are. So this is the fourth quarter of 2021. Let's go back to 2015, where I wrote my first article for SeekingAlpha. From 2015 to 2019, mostly in 2016 and 17, I wrote over 170 articles for SeekingAlpha, all really legit, honest attempts or honest stock picks, or simply the fact is most of the picks, most of my articles were actually neutral. Like, I would tell the story, inform people what the financial statements say, and the stock was not a buy. And if it's a sell or whatever, I wasn't really interested in that side. So first of all, a stock that's worth buying and investing in is actually uncommon in the first place. And this is very important to get through your head if you're new to this investing thing. There's not an Apple company that comes along every day, but there's not even a 10-bagger, 1,000% return 10 times. It doesn't come along every year, all right? So I brought up how many stock picks I did at SeekingAlpha. And also, I looked at least a dozen companies before I produced each one of those articles. They're all on different companies. And among all of those articles that I published, I think 4 of them went up in value 5 times. Most of them just went up 50%. Good returns. This is really good returns. Once you have $1 million and you have a stock and it goes up 50% in 3 years, you made $500,000 at a low tax rate without doing any work. So my returns across those articles, so you know, is 20% a year compounded if you just bought my little stock picks. All right, but this is about the home runs, and we want to have a home run. A lot of people start an investment career, like a lot of people you've heard of, or if you go and look at the hedge fund people, they start their investing career and it sucks for like a long time, like years, where it's just like very slow 20% returns, and they don't have a whole lot of money yet. So they were scraping by for years. That's kind of how it has been for me, and was for me until GameStop was a super home run for me. So this thing with the home runs being very rare, that I'm on this channel on these videos and I'm showing you this Tandy Leather Factory investment that I've made, it's going to behoove you. I love this word, behoove, right? What is a hoof? A hoof? That's like the horse's foot, right? And if you are beed, if you're BE'd something, it means you've had a thing given to you or put on you. So it will actually behoove the rest of my investment career to make this home run, right? I'll actually have the next level of money that I need for my inspirations that I'd like to accomplish. It will behoove me to take full advantage of this jackpot opportunity. I believe is a jackpot opportunity. And so I want to emphasize these don't come along very often. Again, I wrote in 2015, I had my eyes on the market like a hawk, sniffing around, looking around through the financial statements for the best business and all this. and nothing, only 4 stocks beat a 5 times return. So that's with me doing this full time. And now I say, okay, I think you should know about that. So I opened up the video and made this video so you can know if you're an investor and you're just gonna like turn away from a home run, you might not get another home run for 10 years. And when I say home run, I'm talking like 10 times return kind of thing or more. That's a home run. And a 5-bagger is like super, is super awesome. But when I say really get that big money in, yeah, step up to the plate when someone's throwing you a softball like this, and you can see all the numbers for yourself, because I've put them on my YouTube channel, and you can go and look at the financial reports for yourself over at the Securities Exchange Commission website. And I mean, it's a pretty simple message. Jackpot, home run, big winners in investing don't come along every day, every year, every 2 years, every 3 years, maybe once every 5 years. And so I'd step up. I have stepped up, frankly. As I mentioned, I have all of my money in this stock. So I want to share this with you because it should be valuable to you to know, have reasonable expectations in the stock market. It's not common to get a 10 times return as a long-term investor in 3 to 5 years. So I think we've got a 5-bagger plus here. I do with Tandy, I believe. And I want to make sure I say it over and over again to you in this video, because I don't know how else you could get the point. These home runs do not come along every year or every 3 years even. So thanks for watching. Wall Street Alpaca out. Deuces.